today's video, we are going to learn how to draw rectangle in AutoCAD. So I have already set the units to architecturals because I want rectangle to be made in feet inches. And to start the command, I will go to the draw panel and pick the command. This is the icon for rectangle command. I will click it once, and you can notice that on my command line it is asking me to specify first corner point. So I will click on my screen, and if I drag my cursor either towards left or towards right, it is creating a rectangle. So if I click anywhere, it will create a rectangle. But if I want to create a rectangle of a specific dimension, then I will have to provide value as well while creating the rectangle. So I will start the tool once again and will specify first corner, and to give it a dimension I have to pick this option. Either you can click this option on the command line, or you can type D and hit spacebar, or you can even right click and choose it from this menu. Now as I have selected the option, it is asking me to specify length. So if I want a rectangle to be 2 feet by 4 feet, I have to give the value 2 feet and then hit spacebar once, and then I have to give it the other value, which is 4 feet, and will hit spacebar again. And as you can see, a rectangle is forming on my screen. I just have to click wherever I want the rectangle to be placed. So I will click here. So you can see that a rectangle is formed, and if I check the dimensions, it is 2 feet by 4 feet. And if you wanted the rectangle to be 4 feet towards this side and 2 feet towards this side, then you have to specify it while giving the value. You have to give the value 4 feet in the first option. Let me show you how to do it. I will take the command once again, will click the first corner, and before clicking the other corner, I will choose this option and I will give the first value. This time I will give 4 feet and then hit spacebar, and then I will give 2 feet and hit spacebar once again. Now the rectangle is created, and this side is 4 feet and the other side is 2 feet. So this is how you create rectangle in AutoCAD. And you can also start this command by typing REC on your command line and hit spacebar once. This will also activate the rectangle command, and the rest of the procedure is same as I shown you earlier.